Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about the Blackbird multi-bag. Stay tuned, it's going to be a good one. Hey guys, Dan Lutz, Abnormal Outdoors again today. Hey, today we're going to be talking about the multi-bag that Blackie Thomas and I and another one come up with for the pre-filter bag. I got a lot of questions on this and I wanted to show you the difference. What we got here going on is I've got two white sheets of paper. I'm going to spin that around for you. Welcome to the southwest jungle of Ohio, down in my creek. I got two pieces of white paper here, actually towels, and there's the grill with the pre-filter on there. That pre-filter runs about $35, guys, if you can see it. And what I'm trying to do is get to where we could save some money on the filters. The pre-filter bag I've got going on right now is right down in here in the creek and soaking. And guys, you got to give these about 5 minutes to soak, about 3 to 5 minutes. This is a new one, so the canvas is going to be, new. It's got to break in. We want the fibers to swell up, so it takes a little bit longer. Once you do it a few times, it's not that big a deal. Now, there's a lot of companies that sell this pre-filter bag, or what we call a multi-bag or a tinder bag. It's a grab bag that goes on the side, and you gather your tinder like you see. I'm down in a bad spot, pretty muddy water, getting ate up right now. Sorry about that, but you can see how the pre-filter I've got soaking down in there. So what we're going to do, and I haven't done this test before, guys, so I want to try it. I have my grail container, and this is not just for your container, guys. This is for just getting a pot of coffee. I want to stir that up a little bit. It's been raining here off and on today, so I want to get it pretty nasty. And get it stirred up a little bit. There's a lot of mud in that water and stuff, and you can see I'm taking in the mud. And if the water's really muddy, guys, that's what we're going to have to do. We're going to have to drink the muddy water. So we know there's a lot of particulates in this water. I'm just using my grail can for that, just without filter. Let me get back over here where I can see what I'm doing here. Take the stick off the grail. Make a little pocket. There's some dirt in there. Oops, I'm gonna try to hold that up best we can, catch all the contaminants. And I mean, slow down, slow down. Sorry guys, trying to do this myself, standing in a muddy creek in between the rainstorms. See if I can get this up here. Sorry about the camera angles, guys. But you can see the settlement. Try to catch it through the bag, or through the towel, and let it filter out. Try not to pour it out over the bank. But you can see how dirty that. You can see how dirty that got. And there's some more in the bottom settlement for you. To throw that in there. So you can see right off the bat, straight out of the creek, the particulate is going to be caught. It's a great filter. I've got nothing bad to say about the grail, except for the price. It's an expensive jug, but it's worth the life saving, I believe. But you can see how one scooped of that bottle. Now what we're going to do is we're going to come back here on my pre-filter bag. Like I said, I'm not trying to cheat or nothing like that. Whoa, I've got to be careful and kick up some of that mud. You can see the filter bag's pretty dirty. It's been filtering up pretty good. We'll get down in that mud, because sometimes that's all we're going to have to drink, guys. This creek ain't deep enough, so I'm trying to get that out. If I could bend over, it'd be a lot easier to do. Okay, so I do got about half. Get a little bit more in there. Scoop it up in there. I don't bend good, guys, or I'd have this thing full. Okay, so what we're going to do, bear with my camera work, guys. Man. Sorry about the camera work. I'm stepping in the muddy. Here, let me show you where I'm at. I'm in it, dude. I'm in a thicket. I'm trying to get this done. And it's been pouring down rain on me. So what we're going to do is now we're going to show the difference of this tinder bag. I know it's bad camera angle. I know it's a lot of bad camera work, but I'm trying, guys. I'm my own cameraman, own editor, everything. But even without saving the money on the grail, just look. I'll try to pocket this in and catch it all. I want you guys to look. You know, you're seeing the difference that quick. And number one, the bag is $30 with $7.75 shipping. So $37.75 shipped. Go to Abnormal Outdoors if you want to see this, or if you need to purchase one. But you can understand there is some particulates in there, you know, but I've got the big stuff. Just dipping your pot in to get a cup of coffee in the morning. You know, we all don't like floaters in our coffee and stuff, guys. You know, well, that bug wasn't in there, but he's in there now. I want to try to dam this up a little bit. Trying to do this stand on this greasy creek bank's bad. But, well, now I contaminated that by the dirty bag. So see, now you're seeing what's going on. So that was from the dirty bag, guys. I'm sorry. I wanted to get up here where I could get a better. Let's get over here. See, my bag got dirty. Rinse it off. Daggone it. But you can see the difference. See the difference coming in? You can see the difference coming in. My bag fell on that thing, or we'd have did really good. But you can see how it's so much better, so much cleaner. So I'm trying to get my point across. I had a lot of questions. And the other thing that me and Blackie found out about this bag, and we really didn't know it too much. Let me get my stick out here. Look who that is. Yep, she's a spoiled one. She's hammering the creek. So guys, you can see how muddy this bag got. But what we didn't understand is we kind of stumbled on this by accident, but because this bag is super wet, okay, and now we got to let it dry. You know, you can see, I don't know if you guys can see how muddy that is in there. That water is seriously muddy. Like I said, apologize, guys. I'm trying to do this down the creek. You can see that. And now you can kind of see how clear the water is coming out. But the bonus of this bag, what we found out, is once I'm done getting all the water for my needs, I drain that out, I turn it inside out, and I rinse it out with water, okay? But because the bag is soaking wet now, when I do put my grail in there, if I do have a grail and I'm carrying a grail, sorry guys about the camera, I'm trying to do this without setting the camera down. Now my grail's not in there, but what happens when I hook this on my belt and I start carrying it in the breeze? If you guys remember, the old canteens had the felt or the wool on the outside of the canteens. That's when you filled your canteen up, they got soaked, and the cool breeze drying them off helped reduce the temperature of the water inside. So now we've got this on my haversack, we've got this on, you know, on my hip, and I'm walking and I'm waiting on it to dry, but it's keeping my water cool. So guys, I mean, this bag, we see a lot of these on Facebook, Instagram. They're just a regular gathering bag. This is the pre-filter bag. If you want a cup of coffee or a pot of water, you know, we don't all carry killer filters with us. This will keep, you know, the floaties out of your coffee. But I believe it'll double, and I can't prove that scientifically, but I believe it would double the life of the grail just on the contaminants. You can see this is a wax canvas, not leather. You'll see a lot of guys running leather, but leather, if it's not very well maintained, dipping it in water daily or weekly and letting it dry, you know how leather can get. This is a wax canvas, It's not going to hurt it a bit. It's going to be here for years and years and years. Same with the canvas. It's designed to get wet and to dry out. So guys, I'm going to get you back up here. Like I said, down here from the jungles of the great state of Ohio, down in my creek after a big rainstorm, the sun's coming out, it's cooking high. Guys, I hope you like this. Like I said, if you want one of these, it's abnormaloutdoors.com. Go on my website, look it up. There's $37.75 shipped time this video. I believe it's a really good product. I've sold a ton of them, and I wanted you guys to understand and show the differences. You can see the differences again. Look how muddy that is, and that corner was clean. Yeah, that was for me dropping it on there. Trying to do all this by myself down in the creek bank. Guys, remember, if you like this stuff, man, like, share, and subscribe. You got any comments, questions, look me up. If you guys like to donate to my daggone PayPal, my friends and family PayPal. Just, you know, it helps the channel out, buying camera gear, knives, everything. We're all over the place with this stuff. Thanks, guys. Really appreciate all your support you do. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.